Hi there, and welcome to my channel. Now, if you're interested in starting an affiliate marketing business, you might be wondering what tools you'll need to get started. In this video, I'll share with you some of the tools I've found helpful as an affiliate marketer. First and foremost, you'll need a website. This can be a self-hosted platform like WordPress. Wealthy Affiliate is a program that teaches you how to be an affiliate marketer and provides websites. Wealthy Affiliate is a training and education platform that provides courses, tools, and resources for people interested in starting an online business, including those interested in affiliate marketing. The platform offers a range of educational materials, including video lessons, step-by-step tutorials, written content, tools, and resources for building and managing a website, generating traffic, and tracking performance. Wealthy Affiliate also offers a community forum where members can ask questions, share tips and experiences, and connect with other business owners and entrepreneurs. The company offers support and guidance to help members succeed in their online businesses. It's important to note that Wealthy Affiliate is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and starting an online business, including an affiliate marketing business, requires time, effort, and dedication. As with any business venture, there are no guarantees of success, and it's important to do your own research and due diligence before committing to a program or investing in any tools or resources. A website will allow you to promote your affiliate products or services and provide valuable information to your visitors. Wealthy Affiliate does offer training and resources for WordPress, including hosting. WordPress is a popular free program used to build websites and blogs. Wealthy Affiliate offers a range of training materials, including video lessons and step-by-step tutorials, to help members learn how to use WordPress to build and manage a website. In addition to training, Wealthy Affiliate also offers to host WordPress websites through its host service. Their hosting platform is specifically designed for WordPress websites. It includes various features and tools to help members manage their WordPress sites, including automatic updates, security measures, and performance optimization. Next, you might consider using an email marketing service like ActiveCampaign or Constant Contact. This will allow you to build subscribers and send them newsletters or promotional emails. Many merchants also offer their own affiliate tracking and management tools, which can be a great resource for affiliates. These tools allow you to track your earnings, view your referral statistics, and access promotional materials. Finally, if you plan to do search engine optimization, SEO, for your website or content, a keyword research tool like Ahrefs or SEMrush can be very useful. These tools can help you find relevant keywords to target, improving your website's visibility or content in search engine results. So there you have it, some of the tools that can be helpful when starting out with affiliate marketing. Of course, you don't need all of these tools to get started. Many affiliates begin by promoting products on social media or their own blogs, and then expand to other channels as their business grows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.